Hey there, Red Raiders, and welcome back to this week's episode of the Construction Site Updates. Here we are at the corner of Indiana and Maine where that roundabout's going to be built. Although it seems it looks exactly how it was last week, we've actually made a lot of progress down here with moving all that dirt, making sure it's level in preparation for our cement trucks that will be coming out next week. And once we start laying down cement, we'll be ready for the next phase of this project. Now if we head down Indiana in front of USA and Womble, we can see there's some progress being made here for the raised crosswalk. Here in the R37 lot in front of USA, we can see that pavement has been ripped out in preparation for that raised crosswalk to go from here all the way across Indiana to Womble. Thank you guys so much for watching this week's episode, and we'll see you next week with some more updates. Wreck 'em!